start out the day. We made it about 9 minutes early today. So we're on to some things. And while I'm here, I just remembered I'm trying to post more to my Instagram stories. So I'm gonna start out by posting a quick little post on my Instagram story real quick before I get in talk about these charts. So here, let's see. Take a couple screenshots. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Appreciate the lights, family. Where we at? All right. We gotta show off. We put a little bit of work in this morning. Yeah, save to photos. Skittles, good morning, good morning. Weemy hologram up 4 trades today. Hey, 1 second, y'all. I gotta put this story on. Just to I've been trying to. People say they want to see more posts. Hey, Tommy, good morning, good morning. Let's see. Yeah, let's Yo, I woke up this morning. I was like, oh wow, we are down. Oh yo, one more I need to watch real quick though. Hey, Nike was looking good this morning for that put, but then everything kind of came back up. I was like, dang, okay. Is that Jerez? Hey, good morning, Christian. Good morning. Hey, Skittles number 2. Good morning, or is that Skittles number 1? I don't know. I really need to see more green today. I would say, hey, Skittles, if it's not an option, hey, enjoy the dip. This is a beautiful dip opportunity. Um, I've been thinking we were going to come down. This is just an opportunity. Unfortunately, I have 2 Tesla calls that they're probably going to die. Um, and luckily, I cut out of my AMD call just because it looked like a better opportunity was coming. But yo, Anthony, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, the weekend was good. Hope you had a good weekend too, family. Let's see. Did I get that in there? Oh yeah, one more thing. One more thing. Gotta add a little string link. There we go. There we go. Just throw that in there. All right, we're all good. And good morning, T. Will. Good morning. Observing life with Sean. Good morning. Yeah, it's a good dip. I think we might get dippier, but it's for sure a good dip. Um, oh, you have. Oh, you got a bunch of. Oh, you got. Oh, the covered calls. $10, $20 SoFi. Yeah, let's take a look at that real quick. Which one do here? We'll give up the SPY chart real quick. Wait, so if you have covered calls, you benefit as the price goes down. So that's good. No, that's good because yeah, if you sell covered calls against your SoFi shares, this is an opportunity to buy them back for less. So say you. Oh wait, hold up. Did it jump up? Hold up. No, no, yeah, that should be good. Yeah, if you sold covered calls like on Friday. Oh, hold up. I'm on the 15-minute chart. 1 second. Yeah, if you sold covered calls on Friday up here in these 18s, and we just came back down here, you can buy those back and lock in some profit. That's a blessing right there, actually. Let's see. SPY did a big shift down. Can we expect a? I wouldn't say that right away. So here, let's look at kind of some of our indicators. So looking right here, the VIX, this is shot up. While this is elevated, I wouldn't expect an immediate rise. First thing that you want to do, especially if we're looking at the SPY, hey, break it down to a lower level. So like looking at these candles, the last four candles on there are looking at the 4-hour candles. Hey, we're moving down. We broke structure here. Looks like we broke structure here. So on the 4-hour, we're actually in a downtrend. All right. If we move up to let's move up to the weekly chart, and we're down here. It's just a pullback on the weekly. It looks like structure gets broken. Like if we break 575 and like have a complete candle close below that, okay, we break structure on the weekly chart. But as of right now, we're still on the weekly. On the weekly, we're bullish, but on like all the lower time frames, we're still bearish. So I would say until we get down to this 575 area, I would continue trying to trade in the direction of the trend. Maybe, turn on your EMAs. As of right now, drawing support and resistance. Resistance on the SPY. Oh, wait, here, let's grab this out real quick. Looks like we got resistance. Like, kind of, oh, my bad. Could be up here. And I guess first level of support is going to be around 592. But we'll kind of draw like full on, kind of around here about 590. So I would say that's your range. You'll do better getting short. Like if they break this level, and if it looks like it breaks this level with strength, then yeah, calls will be cool. But otherwise, grabbing shorts up here would be more ideal, and grabbing calls down here would be as well. So that's kind of how I would look at that here. Let's see. Hey, Tribe, good morning. Lucky J, good morning. Skittles, you think SoFi gonna pop? Simon, good morning. Nicole, good morning. Looks like I might sell. Hey, may not be a bad idea. Hey, yeah, might get dibbier. Gotta be ready. We got 1 minute till we open. Hold up. All right, Apple is the only thing that looks kind of bullish to me today. If you look at Apple on this 4-hour, it's currently breaking the trend line. So if I were to buy calls on anything, I want to see how Apple kind of performs here. But Apple potentially could be a good one to run up. My life be like, good morning. All right, so looks like we're open now. Market's open. Apple is kind of going crazy a little bit. A little bit. Might be a little fake out. Maybe not. We'll kind of see. I'm going to start out light. I'm going to grab a little, just in case it's real. I'm going to grab something a little wild on Apple. Let's see. Oh, I guess it's not. Oh, Apple contracts are kind of pricey. Never mind. I'm not going to grab anything on Apple. Yeah, there is a lot of. Oh, wait, hold up. The prices might update. No, yeah, Apple could go crazy, but I'm not liking the prices. There's a lot of volatility, IV on those. They have earnings on, I want to say Thursday. I'm not really loving the price that I'd be getting them for right now, though. Hey, Skittle said that's the only money I'll make today. Hey, no, yeah, hey, that's good. If you're able to make money when the market goes down, that's what's up. Let me do a quick check in on those Nike. Oh, Nike's going up. I'm gonna need that to chill out. All right, so Spy is starting out with the break. We'll just see if this is if it continues or if it's a fake out. If it wants to continue here, then it could try to go and close this gap. We'll kind of see. Let me slide the PCE up here so I can watch that. There's a slide the Dixie up too. Yeah, so Tesla selling off. Nvidia is still like holding down. Hold on, let's see. Good morning, everyone. Walmart doesn't care what's going on today. It's going to. Oh, let's take a quick look at Walmart. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll come back to that. Starting out today with a little pop. Alani, good morning. Lonello, good morning. Swinging the market. Hey, it's good, good and bad, good and bad. It makes the options prices like it increases the prices of the options. But if you're already in the contract, yeah, the swings are good. Is GBO a good stock to sell covered call contract? I'm in on August 2025. I think I get a covered call. So that is one that I would personally be hesitant selling a covered call, especially after it's already pulled back, because that's one that the politicians are buying. So they're buying into that, and they don't. I don't know, because politicians are buying it, they might know something that we don't, and uh, selling selling up there, it's like you might get 600 up front, but it's like if it plays out, if they know something and we don't, and it rockets up there and it keeps going, then I don't know. It's like high risk, high reward kind of situation in my opinion. I would definitely say know your risk, but I would say you're taking a chance there because a lot can happen in that time. Mercy, good morning. John, good morning. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the one that kind of went crazy. Hey, I'm down to I'm down to grab 100 of these just to let's look at the volume, see what the volume's doing. That's on the 15. Volume's kind of tapering off there. Okay, so there's a hollow. Here, let me add that to the watch list for today. And then what else do we have here? You said and we me. I think I like hollow more. Kind of watch that all. Let me look at it on the 5. Yeah, I might give that one a little bit. Might be a rough day. I think the market is nervous about earnings on top of Trump threatening to put tariffs on Colombia. I think the main thing that really brought the market down, in my opinion, is going to be this move on Nvidia. If y'all hadn't noticed, Nvidia was up here at 140, and it dropped down to 126 today. So it got some negative news that China was able to do kind of a lot with AI. Like a lot of stuff with AI and they were able to do it with some of Nvidia's older AI chips, and because of that, they oh, that's a little bit scary for them because it's like, oh, you don't really need uh, to continuously buy the newer Nvidia chips to get the same like processing power. So that's looking like slowed profits potentially for Nvidia. So Nvidia took a good little drop from that. Let's see. I think SoFi is going to drop today even more. Hey, that'll be cool. Uh, you said OMG Nike. Nike's holding up right now. Let's pull that up. Yeah, Nike is holding up. Like I was this morning, I was like, oh yeah, like I opened up Nike this morning. I think, yeah, I guess I saw it down here, like at 72, like something. I was like, okay, yeah, let's keep that up. But nah, it's taking this time. Dorothy, good morning. Let's see. Isaac, good morning. Walmart, large cap China. Had a 605 put this morning. Hey, nice, nice. T-Bird, welcome back. Good morning. Guess I'm back holding SoFi for now. Hey, I definitely like buying the SoFi every day. I got a good average on it, but I definitely buy in every day. Here, let me see how this pie is looking. Low-key might be a good day to ride some puts. If we don't hold up here, this is the second candle we're working on. Let's see how how the third one looks. Amaya, good morning. That Aurora DeepSeek was pushing. What's the ticker for that? Some Asian guy, lots of us holding with you. Okay. It has something to do with new deep. Yeah, yeah. Emery, good morning. They claim to have done it for 5 million and hey. Yeah, yeah. I saw that. It's kind of wild. Okay, so Tesla got above what I say resistance was. Yeah, Tesla's going to close in, filling this gap. Let's see if I can extend this trend line. I don't even know where I had it at. Okay. Yeah, so that's the trend line on Tesla. SPY looks like it's holding up on the 5 minute. Give it one more candle, see how it looks, make sure it's not a fake out. AMD is continuing to sell off. Nvidia is still moving down. Nvidia took the biggest drop since 2020. That's a large drop. I'd love to see Nvidia like pull back some more, like just to kind of like kill that cycle for a little bit. I want to check quantum. Where's the ion Q? It's only down like a little under 4%. I got a larger position I'd like to make in that. The DeepSeek news has a lot of misleading info and holes in the story. The truth will. Yeah, that's usually how it is. The only thing is like, will people be paying attention when the truth comes out? What do you average on SoFi? I bought a put on SoFi today. When you say what do you average, like what's my average position, like the average price I have on SoFi? My average cost right now is 14, but I wouldn't be surprised to see SoFi lower than that this year. Mahishu, good morning. It's JG or MOBA mobile that got the DeepSeek AI this morning with. Okay. JG. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that went kind of wild. Okay. All right, spies pulling back a little bit. Let's see if this is like a retest or if this actually continues to hold. QUBT 10. I think I had like QUBT is like it's one I'm long on, but I have a much lower short. Yeah, it's like I know it's kind of wild, but I want to pick up QUBT at like 150 just because I see a gap there. And I'm like, yo, it's gonna get back there somehow, and that's what I'm looking for, honestly. Uh, Average return. My average return on SoFi, like I don't have options right now, but I'm not sure if that's a day or overall. Overall, I'm up like 15% on SoFi, but it's like I buy like a little bit of it every day. Looks like it bounced off the gap on a 5 minute SPY. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll see. Yeah, on the 5 minute, this is definitely it's in an uptrend again. You see, let's see if I can get some trend lines going on the SPY. Y'all know if we get up here, especially if we get above 600, y'all know we're coming to close at. I missed the SoFi comment. What did you think SoFi was? I didn't give a real target on SoFi. I just said I can see it like my average is 14. My average cost is 1407. I said I could definitely see it coming lower than that this year. So I didn't give like a short term target or anything like that. And really on days where we sell off like this, I'm not really the one to like I'm no master when it comes to picking downside targets. Apple's the only one that looks like nice, easy kind of money, but also the options are like so expensive that I'm not messing with it right now. Hey, Estee Lauder it's kind of popping up for a little dividend stock. Hey, it's doing its thing. Simon, 594 put good price. What date are you looking at? Teach me how to trade stocks on Robinhood. So if you want to know how to trade stocks, you need to know how to chart, and kind of predict where it's going. Everything that you need to know is on my channel. Like legit. If you multiple strategies, they will like complete like how to's. Like type how to on my channel. Pick which strategy is going to be the best. I got like supply and demand. I got like trend line strategies. And then from there, it's really just going to be practicing and kind of analyzing the stocks that you're going to want to be in. But I'm not going to teach you anything outside of what's in those videos. It's like, this is just kind of like a good way to get like some live mental reps, like while I'm going through it. But it's like I got it all on my channel. So seek and you shall find. But I don't think I'm too good for you or anything. It's just like right now, it's like I got so many hands reaching out at me that I am unable to kind of help everyone at once. That's kind of what YouTube is for me. It's kind of the way to, give back and help everyone at once. But if you're not looking for it, there's nothing I can do. today is a day to buy calls. Hey, it might be, honestly. Okay, so the PCE should have just updated. Let's see. All right, so yeah, the put to call ratio is kind of low, so yeah, calls might be a move. I think I might. Let's see how much they're going for. Here, let's see. It's tomorrow. How much for an extra day? All right, so I'm gonna go for a 603 call that expires tomorrow. I paid 84 for it. Let me share that with the family real quick on Discord. Let's go. Where's it at? Oh yeah, and then also hold up. This is something I said I was gonna start doing. So here, I'm gonna go look at the spy, and we're gonna add that to that same contract to the watch list. So to those of you that don't know how to purchase an option contract, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. So I just picked up here. I'm going to go to Trade Spy Options. I these are the contracts that expire tomorrow. What I picked up was this one right here. If I don't want to buy this, and in this case, I'm going to add this to the watch list. So I'm just going to click on the contract. I'm going to click add to watch list. And now I'm going to be able to see kind of how it moves from where I picked it up. So at this 84 price. So now if I go and I look at my watch list, we can see the spy call I picked up. And as of right now, from the time I picked it up, the price, I guess it was 85 when I added it. Right now, I'm down $1 on the contract. So, yeah, so the SPY contract's added to the watch list. Got in, I'm gonna mark this, I got in on SPY around like $58. And we'll kind of see where that goes. We'll come back and look at that, but see if we get some kind of recovery. Now let me alert the Discord real quick. Pay 8.84, what was it? 603, SPY call expiring tomorrow per share. All right. So let's see how that did. All right. So let's see. ADR is the ticker for that Aurora. Yeah, let's take a quick look at it. I think I don't know about that. All right, let's see. All right, today's the day. QUBT to 850, then we'll rock. It's possible, yeah. It's possible. Intel, what's going on with Intel? All right, they had a good little dip. Then they kind of like popped back up. Now it looks like they're pulling back down. Okay, Intel. Watch list took 4 options I saw on Derive expiring this Friday. 3 of them are very green. Hey, nice. Hey, Derive doing this thing. I picked up one on Derive on Friday. Right now it's no, I think I picked it up on Thursday. It's not doing so hot right now, but it looked good to me, and it's not getting above the level that I was watching for it to get to, so it's still doing all right. Definitely learned a lot from your channel, so I appreciate that, T-Bird. What do you think about TDS? What is, I don't even know what TDS is. Telephone and data systems. I do not like the way the chart moves. It's in an uptrend. Like, yeah, it looks like it's in a solid uptrend on the weekly. I don't really know anything about it. It's one kind of trend line I watch out for. Looks like it since may have steepened a little bit. I mean I like the trend. I don't know anything about it though. So I think I see that it's in a positive trend, but there could also be some resistance at this $37 level, since last time it was up here was when it kind of began this downtrend. Oh, actually, the more you zoom out, it's in a downtrend as well. So I would be careful here. That's all I'll say. Oh, you picked up a 0 day. Picked up the 601 0 day call for 66. IWM had a good move up. Here, let's go down to get in here. Yeah, they like race to fill in their gap. Yeah, so the spy looks like it's trying to hold. All right, so yeah, if we hold on this candle, it's a clean break of this resistance, and then we can look to try to ride the trend. Let's see. Can you look at Baba? Yeah, let's take a look. Well, it has a nice little downtrend going, and it has support right here at 89. Or that's just on the day. Yeah, but it has support at 89, so that's one area I would kind of watch for. Below that, there's a little bit more at 88.50. Then next level looks like it's about 87.25. But yeah, it's currently in a downtrend. And it also looks like there is a gap to be filled down to 86.11. So those are kind of downside targets. Disney, what's going on with Disney? Like, y'all gotta give me more information than just the stock, because it's like I see a stock, but if I don't know like what lens you're viewing it through, I might miss something. I was like looking at Disney, it's like, okay, first candle is kind of bullish. There's resistance up here, so I personally wouldn't be too interested. Looks like right here you could get a potential reversal. Let's see. So here, made your first move up. Yeah, because looking at Disney, I would almost be more interested in this liquidity over here. Let's see where. I'd be interested in trying to play that sweep right there. Yeah, SPY, hey, it's trying to come back. Let's see if we can keep this up. DWTX, okay, Lucky J, I hear you. Let's see. Okay, here, let's drop down to a 5. Let's see what it really looks like. Oh yeah, I think he's running. Sure is. IWM, nice turnaround. One I started following since seeing recommended. The only hard thing about streaming is I miss a lot of good. Like I don't quite get in at the best time. Sometimes I'll see it like after the stream on Derive, but yeah, like most of my Derive plays only really get to go out to the Discord. Let's see, IWM, nice, yeah. Can you look at on? What is on? Let's see. Looks like it's consolidating. It's either getting ready for a large move up or a larger move down. But there's no telling how long this range could go on. Range is from about 52, 64. I guess breakout level would probably be about looking at above 58 for a breakout level. That's probably when I would take interest in that. Oh, that like ratio is looking atrocious. All right, guys, this is your friendly reminder. Yo, to those of you that are unaware, if you look just below the video, scroll just below, there is an icon. If you can see the little man down in the, he might be in the bottom right corner of your screen. I don't know. He's holding something up with his hand right now. If you look at his hand, there's an icon that looks just like this below the video. Now is your opportunity to go and interact with it. It is something that is highly favored here in the YouTube community. So yeah, it would be very much so appreciated if you could go interact with it. You know, tap it, like it, smash it, boop it. You know, whatever you gotta do with it. If you gotta like slide over it, you know, any kind of interaction is encouraged. And you know, if you look at it, there is a number kind of close by. You may even see that number go up. Yeah. And just by doing that, you can help a YouTuber out in need. So, yeah, just a friendly reminder. With AI computer or customer service, oh, appreciate y'all who showed up. Wow, y'all are listening. With AI customer service being implemented, I think TDS is a good hold. Look into who the new chair is. Okay, I like that. Here, let me take my notes and put that on there. I had some. Okay, I found my research notes. Okay, so you said AI customer TDS. Look into, what is it? New chair. Okay, hopefully I remember what it means by new chair, and I don't think, hey, I need to get a new chair, but I got the notes down. Can you take a look? Yeah. I actually haven't looked at Palantir today, surprisingly. All right, so Palantir. I wish I had looked at Palantir today. All right, wait. For starters, let's actually come back and extend this little trend line I got going. Because that could end up holding up as a resistance as well. No, it's probably... Wait, is this today? Yeah, that's today. Yeah, it might go. It could go for the gap. Let's see. Okay. I feel like I want to. I don't have like too much to say about Palantir. From the move it's kind of made, I kind of want to go and look on Derive and see if I see anything real quick though. 598.50 is holding us back. Yeah, a little bit. But as of right now on the 15, like just with, like I see we got this complete candle up here. I'm cool with what I'm seeing right now. Like at the pace we're moving, I'm cool with it. If the PCE wants to stay up here, I'm chilling at the moment. But I'm about to run an optimization, or I'm about to go to Derive's website real quick, kind of take a look. Let's see if I see anything for Palantir. Wait, so I was 20. Okay, so nothing recent. I don't see anything recent, so I'll leave it alone for now. All right, SPY's pulling back. Hold on, let's see. Just below that. Also have RR. Is that the Realtek Robotics? Cause that's legit the other one that was on my or Rich Tech Robot. Yeah, that's the other one that was on my list to do research on. So I haven't done it yet, but it was the other one that was on there. So I got that one on the list for sure. How do I join the Discord? I have a link. So that's the Discord link. You get access in limited functionality. There's going to be a couple channels that you're not able to see, but there's plenty of value to be had right there. Oh, Meta's going. It looks like everything's going for the gap fill right now. Yeah, it's like the only thing I don't like about days like these are that it's like there's so much out there that it's kind of hard to focus on one thing. But I do see like, oh, Microsoft got slapped. Microsoft got slapped. Let's see. Who else really got hurt today? Nvidia really got hurt. Let's see. AMD got hurt a little bit. Not quite to the extent that Nvidia did. Hut Mining, for some reason, they got QUBT, Riot. Oh, the VIX is kind of sold off. It was up at like 20 something. Yeah, the VIX might be coming back to close this gap. But yeah, Yeah, as of right now, just trying to ride the SPY. Let's see how the Qs is looking. I hadn't even looked at that today. What time for that's the 1 hour, 15. Yeah, they look pretty similar right now. Okay. You said maybe it was Serve Robotics. No, it was. If you're talking about when I was talking about Rich Tech, yeah, it was Rich Tech. I wasn't sure if Spy could break that resistance level. It's a hard level, but I'm watching for it to. Yeah, I think it could. Um, yeah, I think we're gonna hold up today. Let's see how. See like let's see if we let's see if we can look for any trend lines on the spot. Okay, we need that to go away. See how this holds up. Yeah, if this wants to, oh wait, hold on, let's slide that over a little bit. Yeah, if that wants to hold up today, I won't be mad. Well, market close is like over here. So that close around like 602.41. It's a 603 call and it expires tomorrow. Yeah, if we want to slowly melt up today, I'm cool with that. I'm so cool with that. If we want to consolidate at this level and not do anything till about 11:30, I'm here for it. If we want to sell off and come back to this, sell off and come back to, I don't know, this 595 level, I might even pick up a second one. Average down. All right. It's really hard to focus. So many stocks on sale, and I'm getting FOMO. I think there will be more opportunities, but yeah, try it. Yeah, just try your best. That's one of the things about the chat a little bit though. It's like if you can kind of tune other people out and not be like forced to focus on one thing. Hey, that's golden. Or if you do feel like the need to kind of FOMO, like go in small. Like I like my I don't know. I feel like my trade size usually reflects my confidence. Like if I'm more confident in a trade, it'll be a larger trade size. I don't know. All right, Tesla's like not doing anything. Let's see. Or actually, it kind of is. It kind of is. Never mind. What's that? Lumen. Here, let's look at this on a 4 hour. Oh yeah, they're in a straight up downtrend. What do you have to say about Lumen? Netflix did. I think dollar wise Netflix did, but percent. I was looking at percentage wise. Like Netflix is like percentage wise, I think Netflix is doing all right. Netflix might have a little like if you look at it, Netflix might have a little like pennant or something forming. So yeah, I say we can watch out for something like that on Netflix. You know, we might have it might make another leg here pretty soon. Looking at the 4 hour. Thoughts on Palantir? I'm bullish long term. Today I don't really have any thoughts. Like it could go fill in that gap. But yeah, I don't know. Like when you say thoughts, I don't really know how to respond on that. Do I like Bitcoin? I like what Bitcoin does to people. I honestly prefer to buy stocks or buy other things that are alongside of it or things that I think will benefit from it. But I've never made a transaction using Bitcoin. And to me, at the moment, it's hype. I feel like if there comes a day when Bitcoin is actually something I need, I will, I'll get it then and I'll have enough dollars to the point where, hey, I get it. But right now, I'm not really fully adopting that. I'm not like a full on crypto bro. I'm like, all my dealings with crypto for the most part is crypto that I get for free. So it's like it's chill. Like I like that it's cool. Like if I want to trade something on the weekend, that's what I like about crypto. But beyond that, I don't really I don't really catch the hype. I don't. It's like I see stocks move the same way I see crypto move. So it's like I don't even necessarily see the need for crypto. Solana, is it doing something crazy right now, or are you just talking about your favorite crypto? Oh wait, hold up. It's still down like 2% on a day. Got a little recovery going on here, but yeah, it's still down. We still got Nvidia trying to make new lows, so that could like if Nvidia keeps going down, if it doesn't find any support, that's gonna hold us down. Any no, I have not taken any trade on the SPX. Here, maybe let's pull it up and look. That's yeah, I need to get like more familiar with the way it moves. So no, I'm not gonna take any trades necessarily soon, but it's something I could watch here. Actually, let's see what the equivalent levels would be. That was from 3 p.m. So 6:08. You know what? Let's see. I don't know. Not quite yet. Well, actually, hold up. Look at that one more time. It's like I feel like the option's a little bit more expensive. So SPX was at 627. Here, I'll go for a similar, like I'm gonna grab the XPX contract, or I'm gonna watch list the XPX contracts that's similar to this one. But it's actually a little bit more expensive. So I'm going to here. I'm gonna add it to my watch list on my phone first. All right. And now here I'm gonna swap over to SPX. See, it's a leverage product. I'm looking at. Yo, it didn't even give me the option. I got one for tomorrow. Yeah, so. Oh, that's XPXL. Hold up. Oh, I guess this account may not have the ability to trade the indexes yet. Okay, well. Yeah, I guess I can't add that. All right, but looks like we're getting a little pullback on the SPY. Let's see how it, I guess, holds up at support. Then we'll also look back to this EMA as well. I'm asking, is it a good day trading market? It doesn't look like it right now, but I feel like it probably will. Like today will probably, like there might be a setup. Like right now, if this trend line holds up, hey, that's a good spot to buy a call. But as of right now, I'm not really necessarily seeing anything that's just like ready for the taking. This Apple might also be another good entry, but the contracts are expensive. So, like as of right now, I would say the thing I'm probably seeing is a good, like just a simple uptrend that you can draw. We do still have the PCE kind of rising up, which is, I mean, it's bearish, but it's bullish. Like usually when that gets high, they pump the market like over the next couple days. So SPX over SPY or so I would say like Darren with the, depending on like if you're looking at options percentage wise, um the if you get something cheap on XPX and it makes a move, yo, those options can go crazy. So that option I added, here, let's see, it's just on the watch list for now. But that option I added, where is it? So I added like a 6,110 call on XPX. I added it for 95. I mean, it's currently down 18%. But when it comes time for it to possibly go to the upside, hey, got some potential there. Dang, all my contracts are getting 8 up today. Good morning. Analyze snow. Looks like a solid weekly trend has going for it. Like at the moment it's bullish. Looks like the next area of resistance is probably going to be about like 184 up to 187. But that's going to be about, I guess like maybe like 194. Oh, it's in the uptrend. Like we just gotta bounce off this trend line. So yeah, honestly, I would just say, like from here, I would be looking to ride the trend. Like, I can't really say much beyond that. It's like, yo, the trend is your friend, and it just bounced off the trend line. So that's all I can really say. Next levels I'm watching out for are going to be about like 184. Then I would kind of reevaluate, see where it is, how it's looking. It may be time to do a NVIDIA. What is PMCC? I don't know what that abbreviation is. It's almost like it saves time not doing abbreviations for some things. I would imagine it's something covered call, but I'm not sure. Cut the 601 call. Right now, it looks like it pulled to about the 13 EMA, but it still looks good to me here. But yeah, if you got dailies, I see what you mean. What's your risk management for options? Usually, I don't risk more than I can afford to lose. So it's like, usually, if I pay 100 for a contract, I am willing to lose 100. Like you'll see me with this tool sometimes. Sometimes I'll use it as like, hey, if we come below this level, then I'm out. But right now, I'm kind of watching a trend, so I'm not going to use it like that. So it kind of varies, but it's like me, I want to still be in the game and still kind of be able to benefit. Here, let me take a look at this. Okay, so that XPX call now is down like 2%. I'm actually kind of interested. I'm going to grab this as an experiment, just to kind of watch it move. Let's see. It doesn't really show like the bid or show like the amount of people kind of interested in it though. Oh, so the contracts for the SPX are more expensive, or like you have to pay a higher fee for them. Like it would be like $1 per contract. So the index options cost more. You save like 15 cents with Robinhood Gold though. Oh, poor man's covered call. Okay, yeah, that's I could see that. I could see that. Y'all have to. That's something like if I see if we catch if AMD wants to pull back to 100, hey, I'm all over that. I'm all over that. Okay. Walmart waiting for that 15-minute candle for a call. What's here? Here, let's Well, I don't like when I see like movement like that. But here, let's see. It's like it moves a little too sporadic for me. Like I can't find like a solid range on Walmart, so just the way it is, it's like if I'm looking at Walmart, this is probably how I'm going to look at it. It's like I just see like, oh, there's a solid trend right here. So once again, this is kind of what I'm kind of looking at to get an idea. It's like, oh, is the trend holding up? If it is, yeah, let's kind of ride that. But Am says, good morning. Grand Rising just got into a 602 spy call by accident so far in green. Wait. Why do you need help? Um I got a 603 call that expires tomorrow. As of right now, it's looking like the trend is holding up. We'll kind of just have to see how things go. But if you want to get out, sell the contract. Like if you're in green, just cut out. I mean, this isn't financial advice, but like if you want to take profit, take profit. Meta filled in the gap. Yeah, that's good for Meta. Let's see. Oh yeah, Meta's about to be break even. Netflix in the green. So yeah, we got some companies that filled in their gaps, other companies just chilling. If Nvidia wants to fill in this gap, hey, things will go crazy. DOCN. Let's see. Jeremy, good morning. Yeesh. Wow. I'll just watch it. See kind of how it does. A little bit more than I want to pay for a quick mover, but yeah, I'll keep my eye on it. I'm like really just watching this. Now y'all got me interested in kind of watching the SPX. I would love to see like what would happen if this contract gets filled in, or if this gap gets filled in on the SPY or the SPX. How important are gaps to a trader? Do you always? So yeah, pretty much always expect the gap to get filled. It's not something that you would always expect right away, but yeah, gaps are going to be filled somehow, some way. Most of the time, it's within a day or two, but it can take weeks, months, sometimes years. So it just depends on the gap. I would say fair value gaps are less important, but like when you just see like a wide open date like gap from day to day like that, like this, yeah, that's something I would expect to get filled in. All right, so we're still making moves on the SPY. Let's see how we're doing on those contracts. All right, so I'm up 10% on that SPX. I'm really excited to see how this ends up moving. Um, let's see the SPY. I'm down like $2 on just because of the amount of time it's taking it to start moving. But once again, if we follow this in any way, shape, or form, yeah, that'll play out kind of nice. Oh, lucky. Okay, so you're playing options. Okay, I got you. Intel's running. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Intel is. All right, so here, let's go to a 1 hour. They're running, but they're still in a downtrend as well. Here, let's see. What is DeepSeek? So DeepSeek is like a Chinese AI company. Thanks. Thought similar was just paranoid. Got in too early. No worries, no worries. Down on SPY, but up on SPX. Uh, well, yeah. Just because I got in on the SPY before I got in on SPX, but now I'm break even on SPY and up like 13 on XPX. Um, hold on one second. I'm gonna go adjust some things with this sound outside just so I don't end up getting demonetized. Give me a second. Yo, all right. Crisis averted. Crisis averted. All good, all good. All right, yeah. Look at Apple go. That would have been a that would have been a good trade if the contracts weren't crazy expensive because of their earnings. I don't understand how I can buy a call on a contract at a price lower than the stock actually is. I don't quite understand. So you can buy a call because first thing that's going to be important is understanding what a contract, like a call contract, is. So it's giving you the right to buy 100 shares at that price by a certain date. So when you are buying that contract, it's like you have the right to buy 100 shares at that strike price. Um, you just wouldn't want to do it if it's below the price. So it's like it's not so much that it's crazy to have the right to buy 100 at that price. It's more like it's crazy to do it. So in that instance, say it's not at that price, then you would just let it expire or it would be worth less. But it's like it's not that crazy. It's like the benefit to purchasing the contracts is usually you think the price is going to be higher. So if you're able to buy it while it's below the price and you think the price is going to go up, that's like you speculating. That's you saying, oh, I don't know. It's like whenever, I don't know, whenever people think the value of the dollar is going to go up, people buy gold. And because of, or hold up, or whenever they think, whenever the value of the dollar goes, maybe it's whenever the value of the dollar, yeah, whenever the dollar deflates and whatnot, people buy gold. That way they kind of hold their store in value. And it's like they buy that to kind of prepare for the price of things going up. So it's like similar. If you think the price of things are going to go up, you buy that, and it's like, oh, now I'm kind of protected against it, and now I can kind of benefit from it. Oh, let me see. Okay, this SPX is a little weird. Ooh, man, so much red. Nvidia looks so sad right now. Here, let's see. Let's look at sad boy Nvidia. It's doing all right. It's still holding up. I think I had support around like think 124. It's still doing all right. I think I may have downloaded it. I think I may have downloaded DeepSeek. I was like, yo, let me see what this is about. No, I looked at it. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna download that, see what's up. Where can I learn how that works? Books, videos. Like, if you watched my video, I have a video on my channel. It's called, if you go to my channel and sort by popular, it's like the most watched video on my channel. Here, I'll put the link in there. If you slow down and actually pay attention to what I'm saying, you will, like, first I break down like what an option contract is. Then I show how to trade it. Like, give that video a watch. It kind of goes over all that. So I would take a look. All right, let's see. Snow is snowing. Here, let's see. Oh yeah, it's going for it. It's moved a little bit since we said. So first level is 184. Here, let's see. Well, some people made 100K today on spy puts, and it's time for me to go to work. Hey, yeah, some people out there, but first off, it's like if they made 100K, how much did they put in? But yo, go get that money, some Asian guy. DeepSeek will be proven not to be better. Watch for the news. I see many flaws in the system. Yeah, I haven't seen it yet. News: DeepSeek restricts registration to China mobile. Dang. Okay. Hey, Lucky J with the news. All right, you can buy stock only at 3x level, leverage and sell a call below the price, purchase it for, and still make money if the commission is more. Yes. Restricts. Okay. Looks like I need a Chinese mobile phone number now. I'm mad now. I cut these. I was well within my daily risk to should have just stuck to the strategy. Lesson learned. Oh, no problem, DGZ. Okay, so yeah, go on, push us back up. Let us recover. Bring us back. Here, let's see if there's anything. Here, let me take another quick look at the Derive scanner real quick. Let's see. Really? All right. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. I'm gonna just stick with what I'm in, and I'm gonna try to ride them. I'm not gonna get too greedy. Like I got money there if we got opportunities, but I'm gonna just hold those calls. At work now, trying to double up. Okay, I see you. See smooth. That's how I used to be. I used to work at Amazon, have the headphone in my ear, listen to the live stream, and try to make my trades when the boss wasn't around. Good morning. Prez on the soapbox, kind of talking wild. I'm holding. Oh no, I'm gonna need him to chill out. Donald Trump, hey, he used to do a number. I was in college last time he was president, but like so it's like I'd be in class and like I'd be like, yo, what's going on with the stocks? But yeah, we can't have him going can't have him saying anything too crazy. All right, so the SPY call's up 8%, and the SPX is up 15. Okay, hey, we'll take it. Yeah, let's see if we can just ride this. See if it wants to go. Right now, here, let's see. You said SPY calls. You holding SPY? Ideally, so ideally I take profit today. I'm probably gonna hold past the stream But ideally, if we look at this, all right, so I was able to draw this trend line today on the spot. Oh, here, let's adjust that a little bit. Maybe try to. So say we hold this today. I got like the 603 calls. The day would close out right here. Here, let's see. Let's see if I can get like a little vertical line going. So right here would be the close of the day. So if we respect this trend line and we're here, yeah, I'm gonna close out. So I have money or like more to trade with tomorrow. Because these contracts expire tomorrow. There's no telling what happens overnight, and then also, uh, the theta on the contracts. Let me check and see what the theta is on the SPY contracts. I'm sure it's nasty. All right, so the delta is 27 and the theta is 77. So no, yeah, I'm definitely not holding these contracts. Because if I hold these contracts, that's just me giving up like an extra $77 that is fighting so hard to gain right now. So ideally, I would be out of these. Hey, no problem, Matthew. Hey, that's a nice name you got there, Matthew. Just for the record. Nunad, good morning, good morning. Hey, honestly, I feel like you chose a good time to come in, let the dust kind of settle. Dang, hold up. I'm looking at Nike now. I need Nike to chill. Hold up. Let me look at Hollow real quick. Yeah, Hollow is down here. It's crazy how this stock moves. Did they do like a stock split? Okay, yeah, I was like, that's wild. Hey, Cooper, good morning, good morning. What's up, family? Yes, if we want to keep making progress, making it slow, hey, that's what I'm here for. Seems like Spy I'm saying if it wants to go close that gap, I'm not mad. I'm here for it. Yeah, so I'm riding the SPX and the SPY. I forgot who asked. Let's see who was it that asked. Somebody asked something about the SPX. Let's see. Oh, R62A guy. Yeah. Asked about the SPX, so got me in this SPX now. Let's see what we can do with this SPX contract. Oh, Darren, I see you. Yeah, I'm this is the first time SPX option trade for me. All right, Lucid picking up steam. Oh, really? Let's take a look at it. I know that. I know Chase is probably very happy about that. Let's see. All right, so actually, hold up. Somebody's trying to call me. I don't know who they think they are calling my phone, but all right, so If Lucid gets above this right here, hey, that could be something nice. All right, so on the 15, they're looking nice, but yeah, we'll have to see how they do. Here, let's see. Good morning, bro. What brokerage app? Right now I'm using Robinhood today. And how much did you get to expect? So I got the SPX for tomorrow. I paid 95, and it's a 6,110 call. But now I'm only up $5 on it. Another thing to know about the SPX is they charge like, with regular options on Robinhood, it's like 3 cents per contract. It's like $1 something for index option. So be aware of that. And also, like if you have Robinhood Gold, it's like 15 cents off per contract. Now I'm only up like $3 on the SPX, just for the record. All right, let's see. I think Monday is what sets us up for the week. I believe this week will be great. Looking to short the SPY this week. Hey, I'd be cool with that because the SPY dropped. Yeah, right. That's what I'm thinking. Like I think there's more continued downside to be had. But yeah, you kind of gotta play it one by one. Let's see. Snap and Rivian are going crazy as well. Let's see. Yeah, Snap. Okay, Snapchat it's like so weird to me the way it moves. I don't fully understand it, but yeah, it is at a level of support. Did also kind of just break his downtrend. So there's that. And then what was it, Rivian? I have no real sense to make of Rivian, honestly. But it's dropped down. Hey, it's just moving. It's just moving. It's cool. Do I need anything from the store? You know what? Okay. Spy puts are all green for you. I'm kind of like, did you swing your spy puts? If you swung them, there should be no reason they're not. Okay, but Robinhood can't connect with TradingView. Oh, I don't connect it to TradingView. TradingView, this is what I use to chart. I make the executions in my phone. MSN made 5% in SPY call, stop loss. Hey, at least you got stopped in profit. That's what's up. Thanks. Now I'm in SoFi call in the green. Help. I love how you keep saying, like throwing the hashtag help in there. What are your thoughts? I'm in it. Let's see. Where's SoFi at? This, like, just looking at this, it's looking like SoFi is in a downtrend right now. All right, so if we look at SoFi broke this. It's in a downtrend. There was some support to be found over here, but as of right now, SoFi is uh, it could potentially be starting an uptrend, but right now it's telling the story of going down. So this is kind of first thing I see. Then the next one, oh, hold up. Let's slide that back up over a little bit more. Like, kind of similar to what Nuna was saying. I think this is kind of the beginning of going down. So it's like we might be coming up today right now, but I think we're coming down more. So it's like I feel like if SoFi comes up, look at 17, like around that 17 level to kind of be resistance, but I would probably jump ship right now because it's in the downtrend. That's me personally, what I would kind of look for. Swinging low and the sweet money chariots are, hey. Yes, let them carry you home. Feel free to drop some money out on the way. Making nice imaginary money on RUT. Here, let's see. Let's take a look at RUT. Oh, okay. Interesting. All right, so we're just looking at indexes now, I see. Dang, I need to eat something. SoFi has to pay taxes back, and they reported 5% increase. They have to pay taxes back. Oh no. Or is that not a good thing? Say less. Stop loss set on. Okay, cool. Hey, no problem, family. There goes the hashtag help again. Okay. Looking on my time frames, definitely looks like it's in a bearish trend. Are we still talking about SPY? Or are we talking about SoFi? Right now, hey, as long as this trend line holds up on the SPY, I'm cooling for now. Let me actually throw a little alert on this trend line, but the SPY. Yeah, like on the higher time frames, bearish, but when I look to like a 5, a 10, a 15, what about 30? Do you have any NFA on good dividend stocks? What is, non-financial advice? The only one, it depends on what you find to be good. So me, I'm a little different with dividend stocks. So there is the dividends where people like to just buy dividends like right where they are. One I kind of like right now, or here, actually, I think I got like a little list. Where are they? So, I guess they're not as good of prices right now, but one I like right now, Estee Lauder. I like to go for growth dividend. So I like to get in at a price where I'm like, yo, we got a lot of room to grow. Like way below, like whenever I think there is a mismatch in price, it's like, yeah. So I say like Estee Lauder right now it's at 80, but I say like fair value is like around 150, but it could go a lot higher. it's gotten slapped down from like 350, but I would say fair value, like where I might consider being done, either being done averaging in or maybe cutting out and taking out my initial investment, would be around this 150 kind of level. So I like the growth here, and it pays a dividend as well. So I like this one. Nike is another one with kind of a similar story. I would say it's not down as much percentage wise, but it's another one. But like, I'm not like a big dividend guy, so that's just kind of what I am looking at. And that's all I really have to say about just different dividend stocks right now. All right, we're getting a little pullback on the SPY. Let's see if we pull back to the trend line. It's like the more time that passes on, the more okay it is to pull back to that trend line. Now also, did I put an alert on that? It's also a good potential area to grab a second one right there, potentially. If we hold up right there, I'll be on the lookout for that. Yeah, Nvidia is still okay. It hasn't like made like a new low, but yeah, if it breaks its low, like breaks, yo, the SPY is probably coming down hard. Cause y'all know the Nvidia is the main reason that the SPY is down so hard right now. Dang, I feel like this morning's kind of flown by a little bit. It's already 10 a.m. Stopped out, Darren. What about you? Are y'all talking about the SPY? Are y'all in on the SPY? Or were y'all in on the SPY? SPY 15-minute looks nasty. In what way? That's like it looks like a solid uptrend to me. Or not like so solid, but I would say it's a decent trend line. I picked up 590 puts up earlier. Maybe I can make my back out. Oh. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I would say if we break below this 596.65, hey, we could be coming back down. But as of right now, kind of chilling. Interested to see where I am on this index option real quick. Want to see where I am with the X. Okay, so I'm now down 18% on the SPX. Agree, it can reverse up in any moment. Yeah, so to those of you that know the strategy, I mean, it's nothing crazy. Here, let's go to 1 hour. All right, so if we look at the 1 hour, you can see that right here, this is liquidity. So that is our area of interest. It also lines up with the, here, let's take that back. That's our area of interest. So if we come back, sweep that, that would ideally be where we kind of run up from. So let's see if it kind of plays back. So I am going to, here, let's see. Prepare, I might grab a second contract just to average down and kind of see what happens. The way I see it, I feel below, if it falls below that 598.48 level, if it closes below that, I think it'll go to, that's very well a possibility. We'll see. Wait, you said below the 598.48. If it crosses below that, we'll see. Cause yeah, I think we're already below that. But yeah, we'll see. Time will tell. Oh wait, my bad, Matthew. I'm in class. So I grabbed some spy calls. I grabbed like 603 spy calls. Reload would be right here though. If we have cause right now the SPY has kind of like a little uptrend going. If we look on the 1 hour, should this play out, their reload would be at this 596.68 level. But one other thing to consider now that I'm looking at it is that we kind of gapped down. So we didn't necessarily get a new range to the upside. But yeah, I'm looking to potentially like grab a second contract at this level. Wish I could send screenshots in here. Hey, feel free to like either at me in Discord or like shoot me some on Instagram. I can see the screenshots there. But yeah, it's very annoying that you can't send pictures on in the comments or in the lives or whatever to me. Good morning, ID. 80. Yes, I meant if it closes below that. Oh yeah, we still got like 10 minutes on this candle. We'll see. QQQ still bullish on the higher time frames. It's still on the higher time frames. I was about to say, I'm like, yeah, on the higher time frames, yeah. I mean it has the same pattern going as the SPY. Just different. Okay, Nvidia. Hey, Nvidia's on the new low. Dang. Ooh. Skittles, if you're still here, I hope you had some kind of either sold some calls against them, bought some puts, or what is it? Or just aren't holding. Because Nvidia is looking nasty right now. This is a large sell-off. 14%, $20. Wow. All right. Oh, I got it for tomorrow, but I bought 2 put contracts on accident. Accidentally came up big. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. One of those happy accidents. The community coffee time, I guess, minimal trading. I wish I knew how to do puts. Oh yeah, puts would have paid today. But what's crazy is the puts that aren't paying are my Nike puts. Like what's up with that? Yeah, Nvidia is not having a good day at all. Hey, Nvidia is a buying opportunity. Where's AMD? AMD's holding up a lot better. I want to catch AMD around 100. I got into a Bitcoin ETF and bought more XRP. Yeah, XR. Once again, my buy level on XRP would be about 260. TSM had a brutal day too. Oh dang, yeah, yes, 13. Oh, my goodness. See red in Nvidia. Is it is time to? Hey, if that's what you're looking for, hey, might be. Market's been so crazy. Straddle strategy. Only thing that, hey, yeah, now might be a good time to straddle. Think this buy is making a head and shoulder pattern, but has two bull flags showing. What time frame are these patterns? Yeah, that's a. I feel like I could potentially see what you're talking about. But I'm not like I don't consider myself one to be like, I don't just trade patterns. It's like, if I see a pattern, it's like, oh, cool. This kind of helps this thesis, but I don't just say, oh, I see this pattern and just trade off of it. Because I've been kind of burned like that too. If QQQ can break 515, it could. Hey, if Nvidia wants to slow down, QQQ might be able to do his thing. Honestly, we might be able. Hold up, let's. Let's see where the PC is. Okay. I think the SPY is making a head and shoulder pattern, but oh wait. Lost a lot of bread. Okay. Yeah, let's see how we take this trend line, see if it holds. Yeah, we're just gonna hold them up right now. Praying SPY goes green. On the day? Ooh. If the SPY went green on the day, my goodness, we would be like very, very paid. I'm not sure if it goes green on the day, but I think we could keep this trend up. But on the day, I'm like, yo, that's a leap right there. But we're setting up to a point where we could gap up. Like, let's see how we're looking on the VIX real quick. All right, I'm gonna take hollow off my list. Did KULR reach the levels you like? I grabbed it. I don't think it did. Let's see. Let's go. Nah, it's down at 133 for me. Chase, how's your Lucid doing? I saw that popped up today. I was like thinking about you. Somebody said something. Oh, it didn't break yet. But yeah, if Lucid wants to break this trend line right here, hey, it could be something right there. I want to see 650 cents. I can trade with you on an everyday basis. I'm here every day. That is when I'm here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and that's when I'm here. I'm at work trying to cook. Hey, make sure you keep the food safe. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Yeah, keep the food safe, and make sure to wash hands. You have a very important job. Yeah, you got a lot of lives in your hand, man. They may not treat you like you have a very important job, but you definitely do. Um, yeah. Honestly, like talking about them not treating you like you have an important job and you having it. Um, Now's a good time to talk about I doubled down on the spy call. Yeah, I didn't quite get what I wanted for a second entry, but if it goes up from here, that's cool too. But wait, I respect the grind cooking up on the charts and in the kitchen. Hey, all I'm gonna say, Mercy, just don't let us know your name, cause you know the wrong person in here might kind of cause you to lose your job. I'm not the wrong person, but yeah, the wrong person in here might kind of cause you to lose your job. All right, so yeah, just be careful. Um, yeah, when it oh, you work at a gas station. Okay, okay, don't tell me which one, cause yeah, just don't tell me which one. There's some gas station food goes hard. Like, not gonna lie. Trying to cook in the market, not cook. Oh, okay, I got you. I got you. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Wow. Okay, that's different. Okay, okay, I got you. I got you. I'm like, hey, yeah, I don't know. I was a little concerned, not gonna lie. Little, little concerned. Okay, that's kind of a relief. That's a big relief. I'm not gonna lie. That's hey me here hearing that relieved. Okay, let's just leave it there. All right, so we're still pulling back on the spot a little bit. He said I'm whipping that chicken. I could go for some chicken right now. Deep Seek attack news possible hack. Really? What was the ticker for the company that had the Deep Seek? I lost it. Wait, I can look through my searches, right? Let's see. Let's clear that out. Think. Dang, we looked at a lot today. Was it the Aurora? Was this it? Yeah, this was it. So that was the Deep Sea company. Yeah, it's already retraced a lot. Given the PC salmonella. Oh yeah, cooking in the yeah, hey, gotta make sure to wash those hands. First 20 minutes after SPY open told me a lot to buy puts today. No calls. Where did the SPY open at today? So SPY opened, I guess. Oh, so SPY opened right here at 594.75. So as of right now, like I would say anywhere from SPY opening right now, it's like puts, like there's definitely a chance puts could pay today. But as of right now, anywhere from where, like if you bought puts at any point today, you should be down on them. My first indication to potentially get puts would be the break of this trend line. But swinging, oh yeah, no. So that's definitely an idea I had too, because it's like whenever you get like a big move down, and then it like pops up like that, you're probably coming back down. It's like that's it's almost like the pop up is going in to fill some things. But as of right now, we're still properly holding up. So we shall see. D-Red Terror. Double or nothing. Okay, y'all are wilding. Y'all are wilding here. Yeah, I would really love very much so to see the SPY just like, oh, we got Euro close in like 12 minutes. Very much love to see what would happen here. What's trying to hold us up? All right, so we got Apple coming up. Nike's not significant. Delta's in the green. That's not really significant either. Lucid's in the green. Meta is significant. Oh my goodness. They have earnings though. That's why I didn't play them, but oh my, wow. Like Meta sold off hard. There probably was money to be had on Meta. Like they gapped down, they hit 608. Where they open? They open up at 626, and from market open, let's see. What they open right here on this candle. So from there, yeah, they've ran like just under $33 so far today. Yeah, Tesla and Nvidia. Well, I would say more so Nvidia. Tesla's down, but it's not like a crazy down compared to Nvidia. Cause it's like you also got Microsoft. Microsoft is like Tesla's pretty much, it's only down to like 1%. But if you look at Microsoft, Microsoft is down 3%, like $16, $17. See what else we got on here. Got some crypto miners down. Hey, PayPal's actually in the green. That's cool. That's not significant either, but yeah, that's cool. Got Snow in the green. Yeah. I feel you, Mercy. I definitely feel you. I'm definitely still holding them, but I definitely feel you. China drop cheaper. So yeah, that's what the whole that's what's going on. But as of right now, it's like this is news from like 3 weeks ago that just kind of caught attention, and that's why things are kind of selling off right now, which is very weird. We got the same Yeah, I'm not watching them too closely. It's kind of like at the point they're at. Hey, you just gotta let them do their thing. Here, let's see. All right, so yeah, SPY still holding up here. Still got, yeah, we got 8 minutes till this close over here. Wasn't here for the SPY move. What happened? Nothing really happened. SPY is like went up like maybe like 10% on the contract, and then they've kind of just been trading sideways, but we are approaching a trend line, so should get some sort of acceleration. As of right now, an immediate break of this trend line wouldn't necessarily get me, just because I do see some liquidity here. But if this does come to be like a full, complete candle close down here, then yeah, it's like I'll swap over to some puts, and I'll probably try to I'll get a little more time on them, just because it looks like with the move that we had, that we could continue selling off further and the selling could intensify. But no, I'm hoping that we can kind of push up and continue to ride this trend line, but we'll see. Oh, that's for the break of the trend line. Yeah, Nvidia just wants to keep on going. All right, let's see what we do here. We got 6 minutes. See how this candle closes out. SPY just chopping around. Oh, Broadcom dropped big time. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, it's coming down. It might come back down to 180. It's like I remember us talking about it over here. But yeah, now it might finally might. All right. Dang, phone call came through. I'm gonna need you to recap the last 4 minutes. I don't even know what happened the last 4 minutes, if I'm being real. Honestly, I'd like to say like a lot of nothing. I haven't really done much. I'm still looking to see if this level right here gets swept. Like we're breaking the trend line, but I'm really interested to see how this candle closes, because this might just be like a test of the trend line. So yeah, right now we're going to, like, it looks like we come through to kind of sweep that. I am going to take a chance. It's like I understand this could be a break, but I'm gonna come through and I'm going to see if this is anything. So I'm gonna get one more contract, and just average down and see. And if not, if this candle ends up being like, if this candle ends up showing me, hey, we're selling off, I'm gonna cut out, take the L, and then I'll probably try to like ride to the lower side. Let's see what the volume's looking like. All right, it's not like a crazy amount of volume, like pushing it down right now. or at least compared to what we've seen today. So there could be potentially buyers that come in, but we'll see. Okay, let's see. All right. No more sell off. We're going back up, bouncing at 513.28. I would love to, yeah, love to see it bounce, but we'll see. Like we're right here at Euro close. We got about three minutes to go. Let's see. Stop loss kicked in. Looking for my next move. They're just trying to scare long holders out of the market today, but rebounds would. I feel that. I'm out of my SoFi call. I'm in the green. Hey, at least you got it in the green. Thanks for the warning. SPY looking like it want me back in. I'm still in it, but I am potentially about to get out, depending on how this candle ends up closing. So we'll see. I'm on my 30-minute chart. In 3 minutes, I will know if I'm completely wrong. Let's see what it looks like on the 30. Yeah, same here. Hey, same on the 15. I just noticed a 1 hour SPY, big fair value gap in the approaching area. Let's see. Let's check the 1 hour. Oh yeah, I see that. You know what? Let's push down real quick then. I'd be cool with the quick push down. Yikes! Nike put for 31st. I mean, we still got the week. I usually don't get scared till like there's 3 days. I have no plan for 512 anything. Oh. Hey, I would like to encourage y'all to slow down, breathe, control your thoughts. Remember why you got in the trade. Remember what your bail point was. What was your plan? What were you looking at? Like, take the time, slow down your thoughts. Yeah, look at that. Look right there. It's looking like it's trying to hold up. It's looking like liquidity. We'll see. We still got 30 seconds, but yeah, slow down. I see the chat starting to kind of share a little bit of negative thoughts, some fearful thoughts. We need to breathe and kind of I'll just be okay. It's like you knew what you were doing when you got in the trade. Hopefully, you had some kind of thought or thesis, and it's like just give it time to play out. It's like this is recoverable. All right, I'm cooling with that for now. I might have to watch another candle. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's like we just need to slow down, make sure, like, let the market do what it does, see kind of how it's going to be. Like, there have been so many times I've been in a trade and gotten shaked out and then it gone to do exactly what I wanted it to do. So it's like, all right, this has to go up. Okay, hey, also be sure not to, it's like it'll go up, but it's like when, how much time do you have to allow for that? Because the market can go and not make sense a lot longer than your contract lasts. So remember that. All right, I'm looking at the market structure going down. Hey, playing goofy happens in the market all the time. All the time. Here, let's see. Nah, where man just give belief and discipline makes it. Hey, survive. Okay. Okay, I got you. Got you. Usa, patience. Y'all are wilding. I'm gonna have like a little Zen trader going for y'all. That's the truth. How much time on the contract? Yeah, I got till Friday for that Nike. It's like if it's scaring you, if it's scaring you, okay, wait, hold up. I'm green on my. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, honestly, you got a good little trend to the downside for me. Honestly, let's see if we can take this trend out. If not, then maybe maybe time to bail. Or what's that? 15. Yeah, that's on the 15. Gotta go. Y'all have fun. Get that money. Hey, that's the goal. That's the goal. All right, so we're back. This was I think this was kind of resistance this morning. We're back at that level. Here, let's see. Like right here. So we'll see if that holds up as well. So it's like we do have liquidity. Someone called out a fair value gap. Who was that? Let's see. Fair value gap. Where is it? Somebody said something about it. I don't know. I have less FOMO since I started to. Hey, good stuff. No, honestly, that's hey, swing trading is the way. It's a little bit tougher for me whenever I'm like right here at the charts, but yeah, swing trading is the way, in my opinion. Especially when you can like really find the good pickups at like when you can just let them get to their levels. And it's like, oh yeah, it's an absolute steal right here. Like I like to here if we were just on the weekly chart looking for stuff. Honestly, Apple is to me Apple's a good steal right here, just broke. Apple looks like a good swing from here. I just don't I don't love like the price of the contracts right now, but if you're able to get something and then not be like too much, it's like that's Apple looked good to me. Let's take a look at AMD. Yeah, AMD is still trying to move even lower. Hey, next great buy level is over here. All right, let's see. Looks like it'll go back up, but my positions will probably be toast by then. Live and learn. Had it going back to 522, so I got 521 strikes. That might have been too far out. Yeah, it's like they want to slow things down. It's like I'm seeing the PCE going up. There's a lot of people getting puts, so it'll likely send the market up. But it's like, will it go all the way that fast? It's like usually Friday we might see some really good movement because it's the last day of the month. Usually, like when you're gonna find those big movements, it's usually gonna be on a Friday or something. Like if it's gonna like really run through the ranges, so Friday might be a fun day, but we'll have to see. Can't complain. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. I'll just have to review how I could have at 100%. Got a weird gut feeling about what's happening. Is it the new administration or is it just growing pains? I know you've been in the game. Hey, I don't know. It's like, if I'm being real, I don't know. It's like I can see what's going on in the charts. I can see the possibilities, like what can happen this way and what can happen that way. But it's like really it's like reacting to whatever happens. All right, so right now it's like do we hold this level of support? If we don't hold this, hey, I'm out. And it's like right here, it's like it's looking like it could be liquidity, but now it's like they're kind of like two different directions that's going for it. Like, does this whole candle stay below here, or do we get back up here? I mean, it's looking like it's trying to buy up, but we still have to see. But yeah, it's looking like it could play out to be liquidity, but we gotta wait. What's a swing trade? A swing trade is like when you buy a trade one day and pretty much you hold it longer than a day, or from one day to the next, or it could be a few days, it could be a couple weeks. It's swinging from one period of time to another. Usually for me, swing trade is anywhere from like 1 to like 2 weeks, but swing trades can be longer than 2 weeks. Spy holding. Hey, it's it's confusing right now. Like it's like, is it gonna hold this trend line to the upside or hold it to the downside? Like it's like have this little downside trend line. I think this might be my last candle for the day. But it's like it's holding that level of support, but it looks like it rejected up there. Let me see what it looks like on the 5. All right, Nvidia is really, really falling now. See. All right, we got the last 5 minutes. It looks like it's riding this very hard. All right, let's see if this candle confirms below here on the 5 minute. This is like the final. Yeah, this is the final candle. Five minute looks like it wants to break downtrend. What's going on with Exxon? A little pop on the day. Yeah, this downtrend looks like it's holding for now. Look on 15. Oh no, the level looks like it's holding a little bit. All right, no, it looks like it's holding on the 15. Not on the 5 though. I've got support for NVIDIA at 117.05. Wasn't it NVIDIA one of the stocks? Did I have that on my list today? Yeah, I had support at 124. Then NVIDIA broke it. Hold up. Hold on one. Like NVIDIA wants to kind of go through them. All right, so yeah, they broke support over here. Yeah, now they're going crazy. All right, so it looks like there's a good chance I'm probably about to cut out on the SPY. Still got like 2.5 minutes, but it's looking like we're gonna cut out. I'm gonna cut out on the SPX now. And then I'm gonna wait for like a full confirmation on the SPY. But yeah, because actually, like, I was targeting that as liquidity on the 1 hour, but now it's technically not fully liquidity, I guess, because this came lower. But yeah, I'll probably end up yeah, I'm gonna grab a SPY put. Let me see how much they're going for real quick. Then I'm gonna probably call it a day. Look at Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna get something wild. I'm gonna get a 580 put for Friday. Oh, it's still trying to hold up. All right, so I picked up that put, but as of right now, I'm still gonna hold on to the call. All right, let's see. NVIDIA is definitely yeah, it's definitely a buy opportunity for sure. All right, so we broke that downtrend actually on the 5 up here, or on the 15. All right, so I'm gonna kind of watch. I'm gonna watch this, but I feel like we may end up coming back up. Or I want to see. Yeah, I'm gonna have my alert on this trend line. I want to see if this trend line gets used as resistance, like if it like gets slapped back down after that, or if it ends up going to push more. But yeah, that's kind of gonna do it for the day. Hold on, let's see. Palantir coming down. Should have been using NVIDIA for confirmation on my QQQ trade. The US and Trump have to bounce back in a big way. This showed weakness in the market. Pull the Trump card. Oh, I mean, okay, one thing I want to say though is like we're still up like crazy on the SPY. Like up here, like the amount we've sold off is like nothing. I wouldn't be Like I would expect us to pull back to 556 at some point this year, at least once. That's just kind of an expectation. We'll kind of see if it happens, but that's something I could definitely see happening. Let's see. All right, family. So that's going to do it for the day. I'm going to go eat. Oh, hold up. You said Palantir. It's Palantir. So, kind of like I said earlier, Palantir is not. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about Palantir right now. Like, on a 1 hour, it's in a downtrend. Still below this trend line. Personally, for me, it's not anything I'm too interested in touching. You might be able to draw. Oh wait, hold up. Draw a trend line, but yeah, I would encourage everyone to actually here. Let me give a little. Here, let's see. See if I have any good tutorials that might be of benefit. Let's see. Yeah, I'll leave that alone for now. But here, let's see. Hey, one last look real quick. Oh, so now it's looking like it. Okay, we're already getting the retest right here. Hold up, I kind of want to see what happens now. I kind of want to see what happens. We'll see. Hey, no problem, no problem. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Simon. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, D community. Oh yeah, they're definitely trying to play us today. Yeah, definitely be on the lookout for that. All right, so that trend line broke. Glad I still have some, but now my put's for like Friday, so I can hold both. Let's see. Please a tutorial for these situations. I don't have anything specific for this situation. I was just gonna like do like a little trend line tutorial. Like these situations, it's like, oh, it takes a lot out of you. Hey, you're welcome, John. About Rivian. So we took a look at Rivian. I didn't really have much to say about Rivian. Like Lucid, I was able to say stuff, but Rivian, I didn't have anything. Hey, you too, D Scurv. Not a bad idea, Simon. May as well stay till 11. Will. No, that's looking like a rejection potentially. No, I'm thinking about to go. Best in these situations, yeah. Please post a trend line video. Hey, oh yeah, y'all be sure to smash that like button on the way out, or just smash it while you're here as well. Yeah, let's see if I can find a good tutorial real quick before I roll out. Dang, I got a lot of videos. Oh, it's taking a while to load. Okay. Leaves, charts, even for like really simple stuff. What is this video from? This is a really short video. I don't know what this is from, but it's not public on my YouTube channel. Looks like only 4 people have seen it. I'm gonna say hopefully I don't say anything crazy in it, but I'm gonna post this video. This one is just it's real simple. It's called How to Analyze a Trend. If you watch it, you watch it. If you don't, you don't. One other thing, hold up. While we're here, let me really quick as well. Where is it? To the ears that we have here. Up to 30 free stocks if you don't have Moomoo. Up to 30 free stocks and 8.1 APY on all your uninvested cash. So if you would like to get up to 30 free stocks, yo, check that out. Forgot to let y'all know about that. But yeah. Oh, John hit the like button 3 times. Okay. Hey, as long as you hit it an odd number of times, hey, it's all good. But anyways, that's going to do it for the day, family. I hope that you were able to learn something, take away something from the day. I hope that things kind of move the way they need to. Yeah, NVIDIA looks like it's kind of trying to recover. Like it's kind of like it's found kind of its terminal point for the day. But we'll kind of see. Yeah, it's definitely like super oversold on the 4 hour. Super oversold on the 1 hour. So it's like, we'll see. Yeah, we may come to find out that today was like an overreaction. So we'll see. But yeah. Hope each and every one of y'all have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace.